Well, Texas is one of the few states in the nation that does not license mortgage banks.
The lack of oversight and the rising number of complaints about errors and abuse prompted a News 8 investigation last month. Now state lawmakers in Austin are holding hearings aimed at possible reforms. Channel 8's Valerie Williams has the story.
Right. He's representing himself.
Jack Wright is one of several Texas homeowners who appeared last month in News 8's investigative series, which he played for the committee.
If you've been having any problems with your mortgage company...
Wright alleges that 6 years ago a bank's computer made a mistake on his monthly mortgage payment. Since then, he's been fighting nearly a half-dozen different mortgage companies to keep his house, in spite of the fact he continues to make monthly loan payments. On the whole, the mortgage industry has downplayed Wright's case as a rare incident. But the vice chairman of the House committee Wright was testifying in front of says the same thing happened to one of his elderly clients last year.
It's the computer won't show it, is showing the error, and I can't get them to fix the computer. The computer's out of state, the little lady's here, the branch office admits everything is fine, but we can't get them to fix the computer error.
In Texas, there's not one single government agency that actively monitors homeowners' complaints. The lobby for the mortgage industry relies on a study done 15 years ago to insist that there's no need for more government intervention.
Mortgage bankers are still highly regulated and supervised by HUD, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and Ginnie Mae. There's been no demonstrated reason to add another layer of regulation. Any unwarranted regulation will only add to the cost of doing business in the state of Texas.
2 years ago, mortgage brokers, the people who originate home loans, asked state lawmakers to step in and regulate their side of the mortgage industry. They say it's cleaned things up. But Ben Vogler, a broker from Houston, says without regulating the mortgage banking side of the equation, homeowners are still very much at risk.
If I have an employee that has committed fraud and I fire that loan officer, he can literally walk across the street and go to work for a mortgage banking operation without a need for a license, without the need for somebody to regulate him.
As for Jack Wright, he's still in his home. For how long is anyone's guess. Valerie Williams, Channel 8 News, Austin.
Texas may be one of the few states not to license mortgage banks. However, following our series last month, we heard from homeowners across the nation who also claim that government regulation of the mortgage industry is abysmal. We found that no state or federal agency has the power to punish mortgage companies that continually engage in bad behavior. A special